Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD Draft Workbench, how to use label tools. So you can go to 2D draft and as example, I will draw a rectangle. Now if you want to create labels with these rectangles, you can click at this icon labels, but first you need to select the object and then click on the label, click on the lines and it be create for the label. So you can change the label by using in this custom text. Like I will set into rectangle. Click OK to apply. The label changed into rectangle. And the next, if you want to create for the length, you can click again, select these lines and click on the labels. Now you can change for the customs like into length. I will select the line objects and click at this point to show for the length of this line object. Okay. The next for the area, you can select the object and then click on the label, change to the area. I will click inside here. So this is for the area of this rectangle. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD Draft Workbench tools, how to use the label.